Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of AJ's Global Cuisine, where you will find an array of international dishes which you can make at home easily. So today we're gonna start with the recipe of chicken roulade. For that you'll need chicken breast which is pounded, asparagus, olive oil, salt, oregano, pepper, garlic, lemon zest, cheese and a little bit of wine. So first what you have to do is you have to season the chicken breast on both sides with salt and pepper. Now what we need is a clean film wrap which we want to wrap the chicken in. Okay, so inside the chicken we're going to put the cheese, asparagus, some lemon zest, some garlic and oregano. Now what we have to do is we have to wrap the chicken into a roll using the clean film. Now we'll freeze the chicken for some time. For about 5 minutes we'll have to freeze the chicken so that it stays in the shape. So after freezing the chicken, this is how it looks. Now what you have to do is heat a pan, add some butter and oil. Now we'll open up the chicken wrap. And cook the chicken. I'm going to add some more butter to it. We'll baste the chicken with it. Make sure the chicken is cooked evenly on all sides. So once it is cooked, we'll have to change it in the we'll transfer this to the cutting board to rest. Now in the same pan, what we're going to do is we're going to add some of the chicken broth. About 4 tablespoons of chicken broth. We'll scrape out all the bone pieces in it. Once this comes to a boil, small boil, what we'll do is we'll squeeze in half a lemon. We want to add some little bit of wine into it. Now we will reduce this so that it becomes thick. We'll add some more salt to it and some pepper. At last, we have to add some more butter to it so that it becomes thick. Once our sauce is thick, we'll start plating. To plate, what we need is, we need to make the chicken a little bit presentable. Now we'll transfer the chicken onto the serving plate. We'll pour in the sauce over the chicken. We're gonna garnish it with some pepper and some chopped garlic. So this is a chicken roulade, and hope everyone tries this at home. Please subscribe to my channel and share and like. Thank you.